My name is Bashari, Carmichael. Came across a real credit deal. I was watching one of Papa Duck's videos, and he was talking about fixing your credit to, basically, want to purchase a home one day, business ventures, uh, having low interest rates whenever you apply for credit for cars, credit cards, whatever, etc. And my credit wasn't where I wanted to be at the time, so I gave Real Credit Deal a try. And since day one, they just started working on my credit, expeditiously just working on my credit, just giving me the results that I was looking for. And since day one, I had no doubt about them doing what they was, put in my life to do. And that's to help me with my credit, to get me where I need to be, get me back on track. Actually, when I first started, my credit was 458. Now I'm sitting at 700 credit score. I didn't even have a 700 when I first started even applying for credit. And now I'm sitting at a 700, a little bit over 700. It's really crazy. It really don't even seem real for me to even check my credit score. I got a 700 credit score right now. So shout out to Real Credit Deal for they diligent work, consistently putting in the work, always calling, letting you know the updates of what's going on with your credit, being real personal, letting you know the process and what they're gonna take care of. I put my mom on, and instantly stuff started dropping off her credit. So shout out to Real Credit Deal. I appreciate y'all. Shout out to Papa Duck for putting me in the lane to even have this connection.